Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri, yassir li amri, wahlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our new video series, specially designed and recorded for newly inducted teachers. I am Muniza Ambar Asif, your trainer, and this photo was taken when I was appointed as a teacher, the beginning of my career. Let's explore and learn together for enhanced teaching skills and knowledge to deliver quality education. As you know, this is a new series with tailored content for newly inducted teachers. Our first activity is to set training expectations. So list down your training expectations. By setting high expectations, we can ensure a productive and impactful training experience for both trainees and the trainer. Basically, training expectation focus on the effectiveness, efficiency, relevance, and engagement of the training program. You may expect that training should be relevant to your roles and easy to understand. In turn, I would expect your clear communication with your fellow teachers during group tasks and written communication while completing your assignments. Your active participation, willingness to learn and apply the new skills is the core of this training. So pause the video and take your time to brainstorm the ideas. Select a suitable mind map and write your ideas in your reflective journal. Now, the class rules. Here, we are going to discuss the rules for attending training via YouTube video. You have to focus on the video content. Engage fully with the video, take notes, and ask questions if needed via WhatsApp groups or Google Classroom. You have to complete the given task on time, evaluate your understanding, and identify areas for improvement after each video. Ensure stable internet, compatible devices, and quiet environment. And record key points for future reference. Reflective journal. You have to create a reflective journal using an interleaf notebook. Cover the notebook with simple brown paper. Design the cover thoughtfully. Use the journal for note taking, mind mapping, writing questions, and reflective practices. This journal is not just for grades, it is a tool for enhancing your experience, reflections, and growth as a teacher. Before discussing the main topic, we learn about 5 W's and 1 H of training. What is training? Training serves and engages employees in a systematic way to promote efficiency and productivity. To understand this process further, we'll discuss the difference between education, training, and development. Training is an educational activity to improve the efficiency, ability, knowledge, and motivation of individuals in their professional and personal life. Education and development, basically long term investment in human resource. And training is a short term, task oriented, and targeted achievement in attitude, skills, and knowledge. Why training? Training is essential for skill development, performance improvement, adaptability, and professional growth. After what and why, now you can see who, when, and how. Who is the target audience, when, maybe it's online or face to face, and how through a structured experience. Despite knowing the importance of training, we often overlook its value or attend half heartedly. We miss out on its benefits. We put training aside and struggle in the classroom as before. We face difficulties to implement the new skills and knowledge. We know that life is full of challenges and opportunities, and training it equips the individuals with necessary knowledge, skills, and abilities to deal with challenges and get benefit from opportunities. Let's make an effort to prioritize training and apply its benefits. On behalf of Fudge Foundation Education System, I extend a warm welcome to all the participants on joining the IRO Teaching Skills training program. The IRO Teaching Skills is an initiative specially designed to enhance the essential teaching skills of our newly inducted teachers. IRO Teaching Skills empower you to deliver exceptional learning experiences. We are excited to have you on board as we work together to enhance teaching excellence and student outcomes. What is IRO? IRO is a Japanese word used to explain beautiful atmospheric phenomenon, the rainbow, something with full of colors and expressions. We all know that the rainbow is a sign of hope and new beginnings. It symbolizes diversity, acceptance, and unity. It exemplifies a wide spectrum of choices and promises a pot of gold at the end. It represents the richness of experiences that await us. In this slide, you can see that a rainbow is a beautiful band of colors that appears when sunlight shines through raindrops. Similarly, our personalities are a unique blend of our soul and mind, reflecting our individual characteristics and traits. Now, you can relate that successful teaching skills are like a rainbow. The teacher provides the sunlight of guidance and knowledge, while students are the raindrops, each unique and precious. Together, they create a beautiful spectrum of learning, which results in holistic personality development. In my philosophy of training, quality education is like a rainbow, a, a vibrant journey of exploration, practice, and discovery. It is the place where diverse perspectives and experiences come together to create a beautiful spectrum of learning and growth. This philosophy emphasizes the importance of a well rounded and engaging learning experience. In short, IRO teaching skills will play a vital role in preparing the newly inducted teachers to take on their respective roles effectively. Let's wrap up this session. You have to join Google Classroom through the link provided via WhatsApp group, the mind map to share your expectations, fears, and contributions regarding this training. Dear teachers, this hadith paints a picture of the high reward for those who actively seek knowledge. In the light of this hadith, we make a commitment to learn and lead the learning process effectively. Thank you for your patience and attention. Get ready to embark on an exciting journey of quality education.